In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of using Threads by Instagram on your Windows PC or Mac OS, specifically tailored for users of Windows 10 or 11. For Windows 10 and 11 users, the Windows subsystem for Android is the optimal choice for running Threads or any Android apps, as it provides a seamless experience akin to native Windows applications. If you haven't already, download Threads and ensure you have the Google Play Store installed via the Windows subsystem for Android. Here's how to do it. Head to the Microsoft Store or the Google Play Store to download the Windows subsystem for Android. Follow the installation instructions. Once installed, launch it, and you'll have access to the Google Play Store. Search for Threads and install it from the Play Store. For a comprehensive step-by-step guide, check out my dedicated tutorial linked in the description below. You can also visit my website for detailed instructions on setting up the Google Play Store on Windows 11 using the Windows subsystem for Android. This method offers a straightforward and efficient way to run Android apps on your PC. While the Windows subsystem for Android is the preferred method, you can also use Android emulators if it's not available or suitable for your system. Some popular emulator options for both Windows and macOS are BlueStacks, Nox Player, Mumu Nebula Android Emulator, etc. Simply choose an emulator that suits your system's requirements and follow their respective installation and setup processes. That's it for this tutorial on how to use Threads on your PC. I hope you found this guide helpful, especially if you prefer using your PC over mobile devices. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.